Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Open the Wi-Fi password, show app and grant location plus storage permissions so it can read saved networks. Once done, let the app scan available and stored SSIDs. This speeds discovery. If the app asks for root access, grant it only if you understand root. Otherwise, load a backup file. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi hardware is enabled so the app can list current networks immediately. Now find the network you need and tap its entry to reveal the password. The app decrypts stored credentials or reads the backup. Once visible, use the copy button to move the password to your clipboard. This avoids manual transcription errors. If you must show it on screen, set a short display timeout and step away from cameras. Also remember to close the reveal immediately after copying. This prevents accidental exposure and keeps your device secure. To finish, paste the password where needed, then clear the clipboard and close the app to protect sensitive data. If the password did not appear, make sure permissions were granted and the app had access to the correct backup or root privileges. Re-import the config if necessary. If decryption still fails, update the app, reboot your device, and retry. Many issues resolve with a restart. One tip: if networks are missing, toggle Wi-Fi and rerun the scan before repeating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.